In today's competitive packaging industry, precision, speed, and versatility are not just requirements, they are the key to your success. Welcome to the next generation of packaging automation. Introducing the fully automatic folding box flanking machine, model KY-7520D. Designed to elevate your production capabilities. This state-of-the-art equipment redefines what is possible in premium box manufacturing. The KY-7520D is built on 6 core principles: stable and efficient production, compatibility with various materials, simple and efficient operation, an innovative feeding structure, fast and precise feeding, and most importantly, a remarkably high finished product quality rate. Whether you are working with standard cover paper or specialized materials, this machine adapts effortlessly. Its table-style stacking conveyor feeding system makes material loading easier and more efficient than ever before. Let's look inside. Our paper feeding system adopts a robust feeder cam mechanism, powered by electronic cam motion control technology. This ensures that every operation is smooth, gentle, and incredibly stable. For positioning, we utilize an advanced vision system, combined with high-precision robotic arms, delivering fast and flawless material handling. During transport, a high-power suction fan ensures the paper conveyor belt moves materials precisely. Furthermore, the automatic folding mechanism features vision-based correction and a unique edge shoveling and pressing structure, guaranteeing that every fold is sharp, clean, and perfectly aligned. When it comes to performance, the numbers speak for themselves. The KY-7520D boasts an impressive production speed of 25 to 32 pieces per minute, maintaining a stunning positioning precision of ±0.05 millimeters. It easily accommodates case sizes ranging from a compact 120 by 40 millimeters up to a massive 750 by 200 millimeters. We also prioritize efficiency and waste reduction. The board feeding platform features an intelligent automatic stop function when material runs out, effectively minimizing product waste. From luxury cosmetics to premium electronics packaging, the fully automatic folding box flanking machine, model KY-7520D, delivers unmatched quality and versatility. Customization is also available for larger or smaller sizes based on your specific requirements. Upgrade your production line today. Contact us to learn more or schedule a live demonstration.